Hi guys, it's me Dino Gaming. Today we are playing Superhero Tycoon in Roblox. So looks like we can be Doctor Strange only. So let's go. That is my favorite superhero after all. Who is my mate? Share stack of fish. What? Alright. First dropper. Years later. I'm gonna put on my webcam here, cause on this side it's like the cash and stuff. What diamonds? I mean, I know what diamonds, but where do you get diamonds? They just spawn, or do you just get them? I'm gonna turn that music off. Don't know if you heard it. There was music, so I turned it off. I don't know. I have enough for the next drop already. In one of my videos on Roblox, I did have Robux, but someone hacked onto my account. There's no way I could have got my account back, so I have discount. I just did random date of birth, that's why it says over 13 plus over here. If you want to go friend me, go ahead. My name is Plasma Boy Fighter. I have 0 friends, I think, because I just created this account, because I had a different one, but I just wanted to create another one. So you can play some games with me. I can play, and if you want to, I would be able to play any game with you, because I play on PC. So yes, my favorite game is Elemental Battlegrounds. These are my elements. I have electric, I have fire, storm, and plasma. For fire and storm, I have all the abilities. For plasma, I have one ability because I just fused the two. But anyway, I have enough to get the mega dropper. So I can by myself. I think alright, one person's either gonna go Doctor Strange or who's that? Spider-Man? Or Flash? Kryptonite dropper. I'm waiting for the weapon, primary weapon. I'm in the UK currently, because that's where I live, and it's like, what time? 9 in the morning. I'm still sleepy. I don't know why. Normally I wake up at 6. We're not on holidays. Oh. Got my lightning staff. What does this do? Oh. That's a lightning staff. Cool, ain't it? I'm just gonna go have an adventure and kill these people. Didn't work. I mean, missed. Can't fire. Die. Crap. Nothing really awesome you can do in this game. Hopefully I can finish this in this episode, or I will do another episode on this after this is uploaded, or straight away and then wait until that uploads, then upload this one. Hey, this guy not enough. He'll go away. Ooh, that hurt. That must have hurt. What's this? Walls? Okay, I'll build some walls. These are my walls. I love my walls. This is my wall. I can play with it. Guys, I have friends' channels, and I'll hopefully put a link in the description for their channels, but I'm just gonna say them now. So the first one is my friend Alex's channel, and his channel is called Fortnite Player. I think it's Fortnite Gamer. Then for my next friend, I have Casper, and he has 2 channels. His channels are Minecraft Penguin Squad Minecraft, Casper Penguin Squad Minecraft, and Casper Penguin Squad Roblox. And also, I have another friend who is called Gerard. His channel is Gerard Sokoli. And then my last friend, which is Reese, his channel name is Reese16. This is how you spell the Reese16. REECE16. Gerard Scully. Just, you know what? I'm not gonna bother just spamming them all out. I'm too lazy to do that. Waiting until I get 300. There we go. Next floor. 320. Oi, what do you want? Are you in my group? Yeah, you are. Abuda 3. I can't even do this my parkour now. Intruder. I've got some lights. Where are my lights at? Gimme. Oh, there we go. My lights. Yeah. You know there's a wall right here. Like swords on this side. They won't get in. They use themselves when they go through that. Right. Oh, yes. Yes, I want this. Oh, yes, I want this. What is it? I don't even know what this gives me, but I want it. What does the blue one's diamonds? What's the yellow one? Give me. That's another diamond. What's this one? Is this cash? Yeah, that's cash. 1,000. On. I have enough for the thing now. Stairs. Vanos. Where is he? Where's Thanos? If you say there's a Thanos, where is he? I don't see no Thanos. Or is he just gonna be a little character in the middle? Where is he? Hello, Thanos. That's a lie. How dare you lie to me? No, you need to buy your own stuff. Buy that! This! 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 Go on this! Go on this! There we go! Go all this! Great. Spelt that terribly wrong. Secondary weapon, not yet. I mean, I can buy it. I don't even know. Just buy it. What is it? It's thunder. What does this do exactly? Alright, that's OP. Where is Thanos? Am I suck? What am I doing? Looks like we're not gonna finish off this episode in this episode. Probably not gonna do another one. Might be a few episodes. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to smash the like button with forehead and subscribe. See you guys in another one. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Bye.